What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. Puerto Rican superstar Bad Bunny has been collabing with Adidas over the last couple of years. So far we've seen collabs on just one model, the Forum Lows, which have proven to be extremely popular, selling out immediately. And in this video I will be getting into his latest collab, this time on a brand new model. I will be reviewing the Adidas Bad Bunny Response CL. So what's good guys, and welcome back to all my long-term viewers. And if you are new here, my name is Bad Bunny. I am a Puerto Rican rapper, and in my free time I do YouTube videos about sneakers. Yeah, I've seen the comments guys. One of the most common comments I get is, I didn't know Bad Bunny reviewed sneakers. Yeah, you guys finally figured it out. I am Bad Bunny, as you can tell. I don't know guys, I don't see it. I don't see the resemblance. I mean, do I really look like him? But getting back to the topic, in this video I will be reviewing the shoe. I'll tell you about why I think this is the best Bad Bunny collab so far. I'll be talking about the sizing and comfort of this pair, tell you whether these are worth the price, and as always I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is, the Bad Bunny Adidas Response CL. So the Response CL is a sneaker that Adidas brought back from its archives, and they retroed it back in 2020. This sneaker is a trail running sneaker from the early 2000s, and I think it's one of the most retro looking dad shoes that Adidas has ever made. It kind of reminds me of a couple of New Balance sneakers, namely the 990 V5s, especially these panels on the toe box, and the upper and the materials also remind me of the New Balance 530, which is currently an extremely popular shoe. The upper of the sneaker is mainly done in this mesh material, and you also got these leather panels kind of sprinkled all over the shoe. On this pair, on the white leather panels, you have these embroidered designs also stitched into it. The three-stripe logo that you see on the upper is not actually attached to the mesh. You can see you can even put your finger underneath it. It's actually more of a cage, similar to an Ultra Boost in that sense. But what I like a lot about this shoe is just how lightweight it feels. It's a very light shoe, and on feet it is super comfortable. I definitely think you can use this as a running sneaker. The midsole of the sneaker is made out of a combination of Adiprene and Adiwear technology. There's also quite a bit of Adidas branding going on the shoe. You see the three stripes here. You also see that again on the midsole, and one more Adidas logo on the tongue of the shoe. All right, I've told you everything that is Adidas about this sneaker. Now let's get into the Bad Bunny parts. Starting off with the box. So on the top of the box, you see the Adidas logo as well as this Bad Bunny logo. Also has the artist's name on the side of the box, and inside you see that it comes with this dust bag, which features also both of those logos. And this is a pretty nice box and bag. We've seen the same on all of the Bad Bunny collabs. When you look at the shoe though, that's where you see how crazy Bad Bunny went with this. Throughout the sneaker, you see what looks like almost random leather patches, which come in all kinds of weird shapes and pattern. You can see some leather patches even on the midsole. That is because this sneaker was actually inspired by ice cream, specifically melting ice cream. So all of these leather bits are supposed to actually represent that ice cream dripping into the shoe.
Nah man, it's because Bad Bunny got the drip.
I think it was an idea that was very well executed on this pair. At the front of the sneaker on the toe box, you also see this melting heart shape. You see the Bad Bunny logo on the insole as well. And finally at the back of the shoe, you see that El Ojo logo, or the eye. You've seen Bad Bunny wear this on his head before. And the colorway too, speaking of ice cream, it is definitely cream colored. The mesh panels are all done in that nice cream color. You have the white panels. You also got the silver panels throughout the upper and navy blue hits on the stripes. The silver panels, I thought they were 3M, but they're not. They're just silver panels. There was also another colorway that dropped, but I'm not sure if that one was region exclusive or not. That was a all over yellow pair. I personally much prefer the cream colorway out of the two. The previous Bad Bunny collab, you see it right here, the Forum Lows. I gotta say, overall, in my opinion at least, this pair, the Response CL, is probably the best Bad Bunny collab so far. I wasn't a huge fan of these Forum Lows, specifically because they look very much like a skateboarding shoe, kind of like those Osiris pairs. So it wasn't really my style. This pair right here, I feel is a bit more wearable. It's also a lot more comfortable. For sizing on this pair, so I got this in my true size, which is a US 11. And I definitely think the shoe fits small, so I would suggest going up half a size. If you go true to size, your toes will get pretty squeezed in here at the top. So I would suggest going a half size up, so pretty much go with the same size you wear in Yeezy 350s or Yeezy 700s. Looking at the resale prices right now, surprisingly, there is little to no resale on this shoe. I thought this would be much more of a hyped sneaker. I guess overall people weren't really feeling the silhouette, so I definitely think for these prices, this shoe is definitely worth these prices. With the other Bad Bunny pairs, they did go up in price, however, they went up very, very slowly, and I expect these to probably go up even slower. So if you're thinking about whether or not you want these, you can definitely take your time and decide. However, at the prices being this low right now, I personally wouldn't wait, I would just cop them. Overall, the Bad Bunny Respawn CL, are these a cop or a drop? I'll be honest, I didn't expect to actually like these shoes as much as I do. This colorway looks clean, it looks dope on feet, it's a very comfortable shoe. And I think for this price, you're getting a pretty unique looking sneaker. Instead of spending $200 on yet another Dunk, yet another Jordan 1, I'd rather have these. These look different. They have a pretty cool inspiration behind it. And also I am a pretty big Bad Bunny fan, so maybe I'm a little bit biased, but yeah, I would definitely think these are a cop. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of this pair right here? Is this the best Bad Bunny sneaker so far? And if you haven't already done so, please guys, I would appreciate it a lot if you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And I'm going to use this opportunity to plug my podcast as well, the Kickback Pod, available on Spotify and Apple Music. I do that podcast with Fabian Gorsler, a good friend of mine, and also the former sneaker editor over at Heist Novaiti. If you guys love sneakers, make sure you subscribe to the pod. The On Feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting my content and for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.